So if you listen to people who are hating on the S650, they're talking about the fact that it's not as fast as the outgoing generation. Well, it does make more horsepower. We dynoed our base model versus Cheez Whiz, our 2018, and it made 20 more horsepower. But is that offset by weight? Well, there's one way to find out, and that's to put these cars on the scale. So today we're gonna weigh our premium GT, we're gonna weigh our base model GT, and we brought along a 6-speed manual base model 2015, the lightest S550 you can buy. We'll see what that weighs compared to these two. We're going to start with our 24 base model. Now this is our 24 premium. And then finally the 15 base model. I do want to mention, for some reason we got a 20-pound trailer weight, which obviously there was nothing anywhere near the trailer for this car, so we're going to discount that, but it still comes in at $37.80, the same weight as our 24 premium. So we just got back from the CAT certified scales with our base versus our premium versus a 2015 base model. Our base weighs 40 pounds less than a premium. That's the only difference, 40 pounds. They have the same amount of fuel and the same scale, same day. This car came in 3,740 pounds. Our premium, 3,780. Now this car does have a full size, not a full size, but it has an 18-inch spare tire in the trunk. The other one does not. So there's a slight weight difference there, but you're talking base versus premium, it is not a big jump. Now we had our 2015 base model there as well. Now that's a 6-speed manual, it's not a 10-speed, so the 6-speed will be a little bit later. But keep in mind, a base 15 has power seats, where your base this year does not. While on the scale, the 2015 base weighed 3,780, the same amount as our premium and 40 pounds more than our base model did. Now that car does have a little over quarter tank of fuel, so figure it might have 3 to 4 more gallons. Call it 6 pounds per gallon, you're talking 25-pound weight difference. So at the end of the day, our base pretty much weighs the same as a 2015 base, and everybody who's saying these cars are 200 pounds heavier is simply wrong. Again, we put them on a certified scale, back to back to back, and the weight of your 24 is no heavier than the previous S550.